Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about a problem that many pools have, and that's pool stains. So where do pool stains come from? There's a number of ways that your pool surface or pebble creep can become stained. One of the main reasons is from inferior pool salt. It can contain some trace metals and other things in there that might turn your pool wall brown or coppery in colour. Also over the years, a lot of people add copper-based algicides, which are great for killing algae, but in certain pool environments they can come out of solution and stain your walls. Another common one which we've found over the years in Jim's Pool Care is things like bottle caps. So after a party, someone leaves some bottle caps in the bottom of the pool and it can cause a metal stain. There's really two types of stains. So I've talked about metal stains, but there's also organic stains. So if you have debris and leaf matter sitting in your pool for a long time, you can also have some organic stains. So the big question is, how do we treat them? So in keeping your pool in balance and maintaining a very good pH in your pool, that will help reduce the possibility of stains coming out. It mightn't stop it completely, but it definitely helps. And the other way we do it is to chemically treat it. So today we've got a product from IQ Pool Solutions, and it's called a stain remover. So before we apply a stain remover, there's a couple of things we need to do with the pool. One, we need to reduce the chlorine levels. You don't want to have a high chlorine level when you're adding a stain remover. We want to keep the chlorine down, ideally 1 part or below. 2, we ideally want to already have the pool in balance at a low or reasonably low pH, because this stain remover product is an acid-based product, and what we're trying to do is sprinkle this product down around the stained area, lower the immediate pH level in that stained area to try and lift the stain off and put the stain back into solution or back into the pool water. After we successfully lift a stain, we also then want to add a clarifier to the pool so that the stain or trace metals or organic staining materials can then be filtered out. So today we're going to have a look at a pool. We're lucky enough to have a pool here that has some interesting stains. So come with us as we give the IQ Pool Stain Remover a go. So here we have another type of stain. This stains across the bottom of the pool, and it's at the shallow end. This is probably from many years of the customer putting bags of salt into the shallow end and maybe not brooming the salt in. And with a high pH or out of balance pool, some of the minerals within that salt have plated out onto the pool surface, and it's caused this coppery brown stain along the floor. If you also have a look along the walls, there's also obviously many years of build up and some staining on the walls also. So sometimes after you've applied a stain treatment, it might have removed some of the stains or improved it slightly, but you're not quite happy with the outcome. In those circumstances, it might be worth having a chat to your local Jim's Pool Care professional about the possibility of what we call a pool drain and acid wash. It's not suitable for all pools, so make sure you have a good chat with your local pool technician. But the reason that we say that it may require a drain and acid wash is so that we can remove all the water and we apply a acid solution directly to the pebble, and then we give it a high pressure wash, and then we refill the pool as soon as possible. So draining your pool is best done in winter because the pool's out of action in the cooler months, and it gives you an opportunity to address the problem, drain and acid wash the pool, refill it as quickly as possible, rebalance the pool, and quite often we've had spectacular results where the pool can almost look as good as new even after 10 or 15 years of the pool being in place. So consider all the options when you're dealing with a stain treatment. Don't forget there's a possibility of a drain and acid wash, and if you ever need a hand with anything pool related, make sure you reach out to the Jim's Pool Care team, and our lovely franchisees will be happy to help. All the best.